I'm David Churba.
And I'm Kochav.
And for our midterm, we made a skirt steak. To season the steak, we have a bowl, olive oil, powdered paprika, powdered onion, powdered garlic, and salt.
Now let's open the steak from the package and dump the excess blood into the sink. Once the blood is out of the package, we'll put the meat inside of the mixing bowl. Right now the steak has a little energy and the steak is harder to the touch. And since we are dealing with raw meat, make sure you have gloves on. The first step is to make sure skirt steak is out of the package and fully opened in the mixing bowl. Now let's start the marinating process. The first ingredient we will use to marinate is powdered onion, and we will sprinkle that across the steak. After, do the same as before, just with powdered garlic. Now, sprinkled powdered paprika on top of the steak on both sides. And the final ingredient we will put in for marinating will be the salt and the oil. Now, put 2 gloves on and rub the marinade into the meat. After that, let the grill warm and the steak sit for 3 to 5 minutes. We can smell the different ingredients used to make the marinade. Now turn on the grill. As we turn on the grill, you can hear the gas go through the holes of the grill. And remember to clean the grill to get rid of all bacteria and spray top of the grill with Pam. As we were filming, it started to rain, and as you can see in here, when the rain hit the grill and the droplets turned into steam, it also vaporized. Place the steak on the grill for 3 to 5 minutes at full heat. Let's listen to the sound that the steak makes when it cooks on the grill.
What is megawatts again? You can see the mic.
You can see the bubbles under the steak, and we are not sure what they are from, the Pam or the marinade. If you can see and smell smoke, well, that means the steak is burning, like on this heating curve, which shows us what happens inside of the grill during the cooking process. If we exceed too much of the steak's burning point, or if the steak gets too hot, we can see black ashes on the steak form. After 3 to 5 minutes, flip the steak and leave on the other side for another 3 to 5 minutes of full heat. Here you can see the temperature of the grill is over 400 degrees. After 3 to 5 minutes, take the steak off and check inside for any pink or red meat symbolizing raw meat. As the steak gains energy from the fire below the raw meat, all of it will go away and make it softer to the touch. If the steak is still a little too raw, let the other side sit on the grill for another 2 minutes on medium temperature. When we pulled it off, we could smell the cooked steak with all the ingredients still present, although the smell of the ashes were added. If you had a bite of the steak, you could taste the different layers of the steak, and if some of the steak was undercooked, then you would have blood present.